mes frères anglophones, my fellow brother and sister. I'm just here to let you know that the last container that we sent in Cameroon in March arrived in Cameroon already. He's in Cameroon for the past 2 weeks. But because of this pandemic, the system in Cameroon is kind of slow a little bit because they have to spray the container before the container going on the section where they have to conduct the inspection. So I just want to apologize to you guys for the delay. But hopefully by the end of this week or by next week, the container is going to be out. And now we're going to start doing our own organization before the container going on the section where they have to conduct the inspection. So I just want to apologize to you guys for the delay, but hopefully by the end of this week or by next week the container is going to be out, and now we're going to start doing our own organization and start putting it in place so that we can start calling people to take your item. And for those who have cars in that container, you're gonna do the same, to start preparing your contact in Cameroon for them to come and sign the paperwork and to get the key for the car. Now, I just want to draw this attention for those who's always buying car in US, United States, and buying car without taking, without call to make information how much the customer is going to cost for that car. Please do not make that mistake anymore. Before you buy a car, please make sure to call to make sure how much this car is going to cost me for the shipping, how much this car is going to cost me for the inspection, for the custom in Cameroon. Do not make that mistake, because we see a lot of people buying car before calling to know how much this car is going to cost for the custom, and now they get stuck in the US because they were not expecting. Onatech Regal Shipping is here to help you guys. We are here to provide all the information that you need if you need a car to get in Cameroon. So we can also tell you what kind of car, what kind of brand of a car you need to buy to play on the custom, because we all know that information. We know those kind of car you can buy that the custom can be less in Cameroon, and we can give you that advice for you to get to know before you buy any car to ship in Cameroon. And I also want to let to those people that you know, doing business in US and doing business in Cameroon, to let you guys know that this is the time to start buying stuff and send. This is the time to start buying stuff now to prepare the end of the year. Because of this pandemic, there is so many companies out there right now. They shut the price down at less than 50%. I saw a lot of, like now, there's Burlington in US. They are giving 50% off of things, everything that is in the store. For those who know Burlington, you guys can go in store and you're gonna find out. And not those, just that there's a lot of companies right now doing liquidation. So this is the time to spend money on those and buy stuff, you know, to help your brother and sister back home. You know how life is very tough in Cameroon right now, and some, they don't even have nothing to do. So what you send is just what is going to help them to survive. And we are very proud, and we are very proud and happy to see some of those of you who have started the business since when we start doing this business, do this shipment, and now they're doing good. They're not sending money back home anymore like they used to do. Because of us, they start establishing a business in Cameroon with their brother and sister, and now those brother and sister, they live in Cameroon. You know, they live in Cameroon on the business that you guys are already established. We are here to help you guys. We are here to give you guys information, the consultation. And we are here to grow and help each other as a sister and brother. Thank you for listening to this video. And I just want to let you guys know that the next container is leaving on the 29th of June. So make sure that you call to schedule for the pickup so that we can get your item. Regal Shipping Onatech Group is here to help you guys so that we can grow all of us, each other. Thank you and have a good afternoon. Bye. Bonsoir tout le monde, bonsoir la communauté camerounaise. Et ma vidéo, je serai très court et très bref là-dessus. J'ai fait ma vidéo ce soir tout simplement pour remercier une fois de plus nos clients fidèles qui passent par nous pour l'expédition de vos articles vers le Cameroun. Et je voulais tout simplement attirer l'attention à tous ceux qui nous envoient les colis pour le conteneur qui va quitter dans quelques jours. Que les factures sont en train d'être transférées dans votre WhatsApp, dans votre boîte email. Et je tiens une fois de plus à vous rappeler que lorsque vous recevez votre facture, vous êtes censé régler la facture avant le départ du conteneur. Et le maximum, si vous ne réglez pas la facture avant le départ du conteneur, vos effets n'iront pas dans ce conteneur-là. Tenez-en compte, il faudrait que ça soit clair là-dessus. Sauf si peut-être certains clients fidèles qui envoient régulièrement peuvent appeler pour faire un arrangement peut-être de paiement peut-être en 2 tranches maximum. Ça, c'est le maximum qu'on accorde. Et comprenez que actuellement, avec l'épidémie qui sévit dehors, même des compagnies avec qui nous traitons sont en train de limiter, et tous demande de payer cash, ce qu'on appelle le cash flow. Donc, le crédit n'est plus tellement permis parce que lorsque vous allez dans un magasin, vous voyez des trucs de valeur. Si on vous dit 100 $, vous sortez 100 $, vous achetez. Mais lorsque c'est votre frère africain qui met un service de qualité pour vous satisfaire, il faut que vous discutez. Vous êtes toujours en train de discuter, comme si on était au marché, c'est en train de marcher ici. Donc, je tiens encore à vous rappeler une fois de plus que les gens qui passent le temps à nous appeler là pour demander vous êtes cher, continuez à aller chez les gens qui sont malhonnêtes. C'est l'une des raisons pour laquelle lorsque vous remettez vos effets aux gens, ça n'arrive jamais. Et bien même lorsque ça arrive au Cameroun, on a déchiré, on a volé des choses dedans. Mais si Onatech Regal Shipping met un service de qualité comme ce que nous le faisons, je ne pense pas qu'il y a beaucoup d'entre vous qui reçoivent les courriers au Cameroun. Ils sont satisfaits, ils nous appellent, ils sont ravis, ils sont contents du service que nous mettons en place. Donc, sachez donc que sachez donc que le service que nous mettons en place demande aussi d'énergie, demande des ressources, demande des moyens pour entretenir les employés qui mettent ce service à votre disposition. Apprenez à supporter vos frères africains. Apprenez aussi à nous supporter. Parce que si vous passez le temps à pleurer, c'est pourquoi l'Afrique va toujours en arrière. Parce que beaucoup d'entre nous ne savent pas comment supporter les frères africains lorsqu'il s'agit de mettre un service de qualité pour satisfaire une communauté. Donc, je voulais être bref là-dessus. Et je vais reprendre encore. Je dis bien, apprenez à supporter vos frères africains. Pas seulement moi, pas seulement nous qui opèrent dans ce service. Il y a plusieurs d'entre vous qui ont des activités que nous connaissons. Apprenez à supporter vos frères africains. Quand vous donne un prix, vous achetez. Et c'est la meilleure façon de supporter l'activité de ces frères africains. Apprenez à les faire. Bon, nous sommes fatigués d'écouter ceci. Pardon, je n'ai pas de l'argent. Si vous n'avez pas de l'argent, n'envoyez pas. Laissez votre courrier à la maison. D'autres qui vont même parfois nous dire que ce sont les choses que j'ai ramassées. Mais si vous ramassez, déposez ça, mettez à la poubelle. Si vous avez ramassé, déposez à la poubelle. Pourquoi expédier quelque chose que vous avez ramassé? Donc, ma vidéo, c'est pour éduquer ceux-là qui ont cette mentalité, de ramener des gens vers le bas, au lieu de pousser des gens vers le haut. Combien d'entre vous peut être satisfait, récupérer les couleurs au Cameroun, ils sont contents, et ils nous appellent, ils nous donnent 100 $ de plus pour dire que vraiment, je suis content du service. Mais vous êtes content lorsque vous recevez vos colis. Mais combien d'entre vous mettent 100 $ dessus pour dire que vraiment, j'ai été satisfait? Il y a combien qui font ça? Certains le font. Je ne veux pas citer les noms, mais on a certains qui sont ravis qui le font. Certains même qui sont au Cameroun, qui achètent en ligne ici, et que ça vient de retrouver au Cameroun, ils sont satisfaits. I just want to thank you again to all my sister and brother who's through our networking, ship stuff from Cameroon. And I just want to let you know that we have been sending invoice in your WhatsApp or email. And please make sure that when you get your invoice, make sure to make your payment before the due date of the shipment. So the container is leaving on the 15th, so make sure that you make the payment before that date, because we are just trying to educate, our people that is not trying to understand that we are doing everything that we can, to satisfy you all with your shipment and put all these services. And the services that we put in place cost money. And there's no way you can run a business like the one that we are doing with the credit, because we have so many people like you all. Sometimes because when they get invoice, they get rate, they just call in to cry, it's expensive, it's expensive. If it's expensive, don't ship if you know that it's expensive. Some people go and say, no, those stuff, I just take it to Goodwill, $1, $2. If you know it's $1, don't ship it. Or go and pay DHL or FedEx, ask them to send it to Cameroon and let me know if they will do it. So please, we have these services in place to make sure that all our community are happy with the services. We don't want to be like a crook, like other people, like, because they are very cheap. When you give your stuff to them, it doesn't get to Cameroon. But you people are calling to cry that those people are not the good people. So when you guys came to us, because we are the good people, because we trust what we do, please make sure that everybody follow the rules. Because before you ship, we send you the rate, we send you the prices, and please when you receive those prices, before sending your stuff, you know already how much it's going to cost you. Thank you, and God bless everyone. Bye.